In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all will be fine. And today I am here to tell you how to do the exercise of lesson number 1 of class 10th, the voice of God. As we have studied this lesson in our first lecture, the voice of God, it's a poem. So I hope you understood this poem clearly. So today I will teach you this exercise of this lesson. First we have to write, as you know that it is a poem. So first of all, in our fair copies we have to write, after words meaning we have to write the central idea of this poem. Means what is the lesson of, what is the message of this poem, we have to summarize in few lines. So the central idea of this poem, the voice of God, gives an idea that God is omnipresent, that is, He is present in the whole universe. Means Allah Almighty is present everywhere. Means the poet wants to tell us that Allah Almighty is present everywhere in the universe. And if we want to gain nearness to God, and it means that if we want to be close to God, so what we can do? We should love and serve the suffering humanity. If we want to gain the love of Allah Almighty, if we want to be close to God, or if we want to get the favors or the blessings of Allah Almighty, we should love and serve the suffering humanity. Means service of humanity is related or is equal to service of, means we can say that we can get in this way by suffering people, by serving suffering people, we can get the love of Allah Almighty. It is the central idea of the poem, the voice of God. I hope you understood this poem. Now we have 3 question answers regarding this poem. Why did the author climb the steeple? Why did the author climb the steeple? जो मुसन्निफ हैं, जो पोइट हैं यहाँ पर इस पोएम में, लुइस आई न्यूमैन, वो क्यों जो है वो एक बुलंद तरीन मीनार पर चढ़े थे? The poet Lewis I. Newman, or the author Lewis I. Newman, climbed the topmost steeple of a church because he wanted to hear the voice of God. He thought that it is the best way, if he wants to, or if he climbs to the top of the steeple, he can easily hear the voice of God. That's why he climbed on the steeple. This is the answer of first question. And what is the answer of why did the God tell him to go down again? Why Allah Almighty said that please go down again? What is the meaning of to go down again? Allah Almighty declared him, means declared the poet Lewis I. Newman, go back to earth. I dwell, means Allah Almighty dwell among the people. Means if we want to hear the voice of God, or if we want to gain the love of God, we mix up with the people and we have to serve the people. If we serve the people, we can get the love of God, or we can get, or we can hear the voice of God. So question number 3, say in your own words what you think is the message of this poem. आपके ख्याल में, आपने अपने अल्फाज में बताना है ये, आपके ख्याल में इस लेसन का जो पोएम है इससे हमें क्या सबक मिलता है, क्या पैगाम मिलता है? The message of the poem is that Allah is present everywhere And if we want to, or if we want that, if we want the favors or the blessings of Allah Almighty, we serve the needy and suffering humanity. It is the best way to get the love of God. So it is the answer of question number 3. So today's your task is you have to write the summary of this poem. Summary means to sum up this lesson in your own words. Means summary क्या होती है? आपने इस लेसन को अपने वर्ड में सम अप करना है कि इस लेसन में था क्या, उसको आपने यू हैव टू राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. जो एक ओरिजिनली पैसेज होता है उसका 1/3 होता है, वो समरी कहलाता है. मीन्स इफ यू हैव 100 वर्ड्स, यू हैव टू डिवाइड 100 मीन्स 100 with 4. आपने 100 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है, यू हैव 25 वर्ड्स. अगर पैराग्राफ 20, आपको फिर पैराग्राफ 25 वर्ड्स का लिखना पड़े. सो यू हैव टू राइट द समरी, यू हैव टू सम अप this lesson in your own words. This is your today's task. Please write the summary and send us the picture of that summary in school's WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will meet again with new lesson.